Thank you, sir.
Please tell us your name and roll number.
Sir, I am Sudhanshu Mohan Swai. My roll number for OCS 2019 is 405005.
Okay, please give us a formal introduction.
I am Sudhanshu Mohan Swai. I belong to Cuttack district. I graduated from electrical engineering in Krupajal Engineering College under Biju Patnaik University of Technology in the year of 2012. Then I joined POSCO Maharashtra Steel as an engineer. After that, I started preparation for Odisha Civil Services examination. I have written OCS 2018 mains and qualified for interview, and now I have qualified for 2019 interview as well. My optionals are sociology and geography.
Sociology and geography?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So, from engineering to administration, what's the prompt?
Sir, in order to finance my BTech, I had to take a study loan. So therefore, I had to start a job immediately after my graduation. In my job, I found that my decisions, my skills, etc. are more people friendly, and I get feedback from my colleagues that these can be better utilized for serving people and the government. Hence, I started looking for other opportunities. Then I came across OPSC and started preparation for that.
If you are people friendly and you have that approach, human relations approach, then you can grow in engineering also.
Sir, definitely, sir, I can grow in engineering, but somehow I could connect. My skills are better in administrative direction than in engineering, so it appealed that I should go into administration.
Good. Okay, subject is this thing. Whatever you have told, your hobby is this weight training. What is that? I do not understand.
Sir, actually,
We thought you must be pilot, sort of.
no, sir. Actually, during the lockdown, I had zero physical activity, after which many problems such as digestion issue, metabolism, etc. started. So one of my roommate, he suggested that weight training is a shortcut where while preparing for the job, preparing along with the job, if you exercise for 30 to 40 minutes, it will help in maintaining the health, especially during lockdowns. So I started training, small scale weight training, and gradually it has become a hobby of mine.
What is that exactly, weight training?
You got trained or you trained?
No,
That's
I got trained.
Ah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it's not your hobby. It's your hobby is okay. Physical
Activities, yes, sir.
We thought you were you were an instructor in weightlifting.
No, sir. I am just a novice and I have started learning now.
What is the difference between the hobby and the normal work of man?
Sir, hobby is something that one individually enjoys, but he is not expecting much out of it. Like he is not expecting an earning or not expecting to compete professionally, etc. It is for just self-satisfaction and enjoyment.
When someone prefers to have the hobby?
Sir, in my opinion, hobbies come at some point of time, and with passage of time, hobbies also change, and some got calling from inside that yes, this is the thing I should do in my free time.
Will you attend the hobby ignoring the work assigned to you?
No, sir, definitely. Hobby is secondary. First thing is the work assigned.
So, if I say that hobby is a work for pleasure undertaken during leisure time,
Yes, sir.
isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So, physical exercise is a natural process. Everyone is supposed to keep him fit and you should have the exercise every day.
Yes, sir.
So, how can it be a hobby?
Sir, weight training is a bit more disciplined than normal physical exercises, where you have to train your body to lift weights in a systematic manner.
That's an activity.
Yes, sir.
It's not a hobby. In the hobby column, don't
Yes,
write this. You will not be able to explain.
Okay, sir.
That is what sir is simply trying to say.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Okay,
Find
sir.
out something else.
Okay, sir. Definitely.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, subject you told what? Sociology and geography.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Geography. Yes. What's the importance of Himalayan range so far as India is concerned?
Sir, Himalayan range, works as a natural barrier which prohibits the cold wind from Central Asia to enter through northeastern part of India. If Himalaya would have not been there, India would have been a long cold desert. Second importance is that Himalaya gives origin to many of our big rivers such as Ganga, Yamuna, etc. Being perennial rivers, they enrich our Indian subcontinent in water and alluvial deposition etc. for millions of years, and it has somehow saved our civilization in India. These are the two biggest importance, and third one will be it somehow influences the direction of monsoon, and accordingly rainfall and precipitations are dependent upon the Himalayas.
Brahmaputra originates from where?
Brahmaputra originates near Mansarovar in Trans-Himalayan ranges.
It's not in India. No?
No, it flows in India, but its origin is outside of India.
Okay. What are the other ranges? Mountain ranges in India?
If we exclude Himalaya, or besides the Himalayas, there are Aravalli, there are Satpura, then in the western is the Western Ghat range, and in the eastern Ghat range, and in the center, central highland is there, and Deccan Plateau is there.
Ghatsila range is also there. No?
Pardon?
Ghatsila?
Ghatsila, yes.
So among the river systems,
Yes, sir.
what are the river systems? Main river systems.
Indian river systems can be divided into 4 parts. First one will be Gangetic river system, second one will be Indus river system, third one will be Brahmaputra river system, and the fourth is the Peninsula river system.
Peninsula meaning Godavari, all these 3-4.
Godavari basin.
Peninsula river systems are what are the main rivers there?
There will be Godavari river, Krishna river, Kaveri river, and in the eastern side Mahanadi river system will also be a subsystem of Peninsula river system.
So there is a saying, Odisha is a very rich state.
Yes, sir.
Odia people are very poor. Have you heard of it?
Yes, sir, I have heard of it.
So how is it and why is it?
Sir, Odisha is a natural resource rich country. Many
State.
among the many state, among the other states, if we compare, Odisha has a greater proportion of natural resources in the forms of mines, coals, etc. It is blessed with coastline also, 480 kilometers, and but still in the Odisha is poor because our industrial achievement have been we only extract those minerals and export that as raw materials. If we could add value to that, we could process those mines and minerals, produce metals or other commercially viable products out of them and sell them in market. Definitely we would get better returns out of it.
Who will do it?
Definitely the people of Odisha has to do it.
Why you are not doing it?
Sir, earlier during the time of independence, Odisha remained a poor. Since the time of independence, Odisha remained a poor state for a long period of time. So, as a result of which, infrastructural development was not good. Second thing is the tribal population was there, so who could not go into the developmental process all of a sudden like other states could. And the third thing is that we are a state where many natural calamities has affected our growth process. Hence, the process of industrialization is slow but steady in Odisha. Though we have been poor in industrialization till date, we can expect or we can largely hope that soon it is going to break its tagline of poor state and will be one of the developed state of India.
Okay, keeping aside the that forest and valley areas and tribal areas,
Yes, sir.
what we Cuttack people have done?
Sir, Cuttack has
Very intelligent. Supposed to be claim ourselves to be very coastal people I am
Yes,
telling,
sir.
and since you are Cuttack, I am from Cuttack, then I am not Cuttack.
Yes, sir.
What we have done?
Sir, Cuttack has remained an agrarian society for a long period of time. People involved in agriculture, etc., have a suitable lifestyle, and as I have told, infrastructural lacunae are there. Hence,
Suitable lifestyle.
means somehow they substantiate their life.
ଆଜି ବାତ ଅଛି କାଲି କି ଦେଖିବା simple.
Maybe that can be complemented like that. And as I have told earlier, infrastructural problems are there, hence much industrialization has not taken place. Still 1-2 companies are there, industries are there in Cuttack district which are working pretty well.
Which are the industries in Cuttack?
Sir, if we see, then there is Tata Rawmet near Noraj and Aarti Steels.
Has it come up?
Yes, sir, it was initially Rawmet. Tata has acquired some years
Land
ago.
only.
Yes, sir.
Then Tata acquired land.
Yes, sir.
ତାପରେ
I think it is functioning. I have seen vehicular movements
15
near.
ବର୍ଷ ଆମେ ତା ପଛରେ ତାକୁ ଝଗଡ଼ା କଲେ କରେଇଦେବୁନି ବୋଲି.
Okay, sir. And other than that, Odisha Cements Limited is there near Tangi, and IMFA, Indian Metal Ferroalloys, is there in Chaudhar.
Small industries.
In Cuttack, sir,
Which has made itself a brand.
Ruchi would be that name. Yes, sir.
Bharat Masala is also there.
Yes, sir. It is an upcoming name in that domain.
Okay. So Dhanshu, you are from engineering background.
Yes, sir, ma'am.
Why did you keep this subject as optional, geography and sociology?
I was searching for optional. Then I came about sociology or perspectives in industrial workers. So at that point, I could relate that very much because somehow I was into the industry. Hence, my interest was in sociology increased day by day. So I thought that it would be a good opportunity for me to learn sociology, which will further complement my preparation. And for geography, I think it gives an edge in administration because geography is related to the understanding our surroundings, the nature around us. Hence, I took geography.
Okay. What are the 3 things you want to bring about change in the society? Being a sociologist thinker. Think yourself to be a sociologist thinker or philosopher and say what things you want to bring about change.
Ma'am, social changes take a long time, and the changes should take a long time, last for a long time. So first thing I would like that change should come from the inside. People should be made more aware about the sociological problem around them. Second thing, on that platform, I want to add that people should be more aware about the exploitation of the inferior groups in the society, such as transgenders, people with disabilities, and other groups which are not at par with other majority groups. Third thing, which is closest to my heart, is women empowerment. Definitely, in our society, there are a lot of things to be done in the empowerment and upliftment of the women, especially in the rural areas.
What is feminism?
Feminism is a thought process in sociology which gives importance to women's rights and women's position in the society.
Can a man be a feminist?
Yes, ma'am. If a man believes in the problems of the woman and which can be worked upon for reduction of it, definitely a man can be a feminist.
No, how can a man be a feminist?
Ma'am, if a man has
Thinking about a woman's empowerment.
no,
Then
if a man has enough empathy to understand the situation, the problems.
that do you mean that is the meaning of feminism?
No, ma'am, I think that it is a step 1 to go towards feminism. One must understand before acting.
When there is equality between men and women, that time man is feminist. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You get it?
Yes, ma'am, I got
Tell
it.
one event in your life
Yes.
which totally changed you.
I got selected in POSCO interview process. It was a long process. After 3 stages, I got selected in POSCO. As I have been from a very humble family and a very average educational background, it was a big surprise for me, and it was a great moment. After that, I got more serious into my studies because I got a belief that yes, hard work can change a lot of things. So it was a good moment that I cherish, and it changed my life for up to a large extent.
What would be your reaction if you don't get through this exam? Well, finally don't get through. What would be your reaction?
I would prepare for OPSC 2020.
Okay.
Any incident which has a very bad impact on you?
I have to think a bit. Can I get a minute?
All of us do not get always pleasant.
Yes, sir.
Must be some.
Then that will be my failure in OPSC 2018. It was a very bad experience.
Sir.
What is your opinion that will Taliban will be successful in continuing the government in Afghanistan?
Sir, we should wait and watch.
What is your observation?
What is
Your observation.
Sir, my
What
observation,
is your thinking?
my thinking is that, sir, anything that has a root in violence does not last much, especially in the 21st century when the world has been connected and the world is watching every movement of Taliban. Like Swami Vivekananda had said, whether love or hatred, it is like a circuit, it will come back to us. Hence, anything that is based upon terrorism and violence, I don't think it will last much.
So, what is your role in the failure of POSCO in Odisha?
Sir, I had no role in failure.
You are a Russian person?
He was not in Odisha.
Huh?
He was in
Maharashtra.
Goa.
Oh, you are in
In Maharashtra.
MIDC.
Maharashtra.
Yes, sir.
Have you got an idea that why POSCO failed in Odisha?
Yes, sir, I have some idea. Yes, sir, I have some ideas.
Yeah, just tell us.
Sir, initially there was a long lasting issue of land acquisition by POSCO. Then IDCO came in to serve, but it could not help that. And there were multiple number of protesting parties there who had their own interest. And lastly, the blow came from the National Green Tribunal, which held that the project is detrimental to the natural habitat and the farmers living for ages. Hence, the project was stalled.
There's a river
Yes,
where
sir.
POSCO thought of constructing a port. That is called Samwan. Since you are from Odisha, I am asking.
Yes, sir. Sir,
The port परिवार भी तांकर
yes, sir. There was a
project
plan.
ना?
Yes, sir. That was a plan for later times. I can guess. I am not sure, sir. Was it, sir, Dhamra?
Jatadar.
Jata. Oh, sorry, sir. I never. Yes, sir.
Dhamra is in Bhadrak.
Yes, sir.
It is Jatadhar. Jatadhar.
Okay, I have to read about it.
Okay.
Okay, Sudhanshu.
Yes, sir.
You are confident. Expressions are quite okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
So just keep yourself abreast of the latest happenings.
Okay, sir.
This current affairs. So what happens just previous night, that day morning itself.
Yes, sir.
So newspaper, TV,
Yes, sir.
similar again. Keep yourself abreast of it.
Okay, sir.
Then what do you like?
ଟିକେ ଓପନ୍ ହେଇକି ଏକ୍ସପ୍ରେସନଟା ଦିଅ
Sir.
ତାଲିବାନ ଉପରେ ତମ ଭିଉଟା ତ କନଫିଡେଣ୍ଟଲି ଦବ
ମାନେ you had a good view here. You was okay.
କନଫିଡେଣ୍ଟଲି ଦବ
Okay, sir.
नो सर तालिबान will not be successful.
खत्म.
Okay, sir.
तापर why? Well, then you have जाके whatever views you give.
Yes, sir.
Give a firm stand on any issue.
Okay, sir.
They will ask only one word sentence.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So give your view.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no.
Yes, sir.
In between views are not correct.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
ଡରି ଡରିକି କହୁଛ
Hmm.
ଭଏସଟା ଧୀରେ ହେଉଛି ଫେର ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ ହେଇଯାଉଛି କମ୍
ଆଉ ଟିକେ।
ହେଇଯାଉଛି स्टार्ट करूछ ठीक रे फिर धीरे धीरे वॉइस
मॉडरेट प्रेजेंटेशन अछि
ओके
ସେମାନେ କ'ଣ ଚାହାନ୍ତି ଯେ ଆଡମିନିଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଟରର ଟିକେ ବୋଲ୍ଡନେସ୍ ଦରକାର
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
ଲିଟିଲ୍ ବୋଲ୍ଡ
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
ସବୁ ଜଣା ଅଛି ସବୁ
sir.
ଏକ୍ସପ୍ରେସନ୍ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଅଛି
Okay, sir.
ସବୁ ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି ବଟ୍ ବିଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ ବୋଲ୍ଡନେସ୍ ଇଜ୍ ରିକ୍ୱାର୍ଡ
Okay, sir. I will definitely try to develop that.
डोंट गेस
ହଁ
Okay, sir. Okay, ma'am.
ଜାଣିନ ତ କହିବ ସରି
Okay, sir.
ଫିନିଶ୍ଡ
Okay, sir.
ଗେସ୍ କଲେ ଖୁସି
हाउ टू रेज वॉइस रेज फॉर
Okay, ma'am.
ऑल द बेस्ट
Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
ऑप्शनल प्रोसेस प्रॉपर्ली
ऑप्शनल
Yes, ma'am.
आ ଭିତରେ କିଏ ଗୋଟେ ସୋସିଓଲୋଜିଷ୍ଟ କିଏ ଗୋଟେ ସେଟା
मैरिज फैमिली रिलेशन डिसएडवांटेज गुड़ा तो बेसिक टर्म्स गुड़ा लिखि दो ओके बेसिक में सब चल रहा है आज भी जीरो पिला डास थे स्मॉल प्लान बैलेंस्ड
selection process is that so they don't take any development confidence